All right, hi everybody. Okay, so if you know me, you know my favorite thing about fall is pumpkin spice. I just posted a video on how to make my DIY pumpkin spice latte in the microwave. It is so good. And now I've even topped that with a pumpkin spice pecan cobbler that you make in a crock pot. It is super easy. It has this ooey gooey kind of like caramel in the middle of it, and then you top it off with ice cream. It's so good. Take a look. So hope you like that. Make sure you look at the link below on how to make the pumpkin spice latte in the microwave, and comment below. Tell me some things you want me to make in the future, and I hope you have a wonderful fall. Bye guys.